Hi guys! Get Matthews here! And
Wow!
you cannot believe what we just found!
Aha!
It's a secret! We made the strongest Akedo Warrior ever!
Wow!
They do not believe us. What? Let's prove it! We will give you a hint. It's a giant one.
Biggest matches ever!
Check who's gonna win now. Cool. Guys, the secret's over here.
Wow!
We're taking drill board and tongue. The armors can swap. Woo! Make sure you push it in all the way to the bottom. Guys, check this. It can pose like this, and it can switch arms like whoop, and then it will stay. It is so cool, and also you can dig the ground. This is the limited giant classic silver everything. It's unbeatable. Also, everybody thinks we glued it, but we didn't. And plus the armor doesn't pop out. We got him. Let's try it. And it's not glued right. Let me show you. I'm going to try it first. Okay, chabone. Where's the stray there? I will tear them to shreds. And I got it.
Oh, I'm a gummy bear. I'm a gummy bear. Oh, I'm a gummy bear. I'm a gummy bear.
Let's try Paraiter. Okay. Let's try Chucks. You broke his weapon. He broke his weapon. He broke his weapon. Oh my god. He broke my Akedo. Hey. My Chucks. He's a Viking with the little fingers. Yes.
Ready, fight, split strike!
That's one of my favorites. I know the right one. Oh, so easy. How about Starbreaker? fight you because I'm not good. I like not to push
Yeah,
down.
but
You didn't kill me.
what's next?
Buddy, no!
I'll be easy on you. I want this one. Yoo-hoo! And the guy is haha red like me. Mr. Hot Dog. Mr. Hot Dog, yum yum. Mr. Hot Dog, ready.
Glam, slam on scene.
Now let's try next one.
Night Blade.
Miss Litter. Switch Fly. Storm Strike Sister. Yes! Luca, better be careful because I'm gonna use my giant now. Okay. My first giant will be Tongue. Tongue's tired of little fuzzy bear.
I'll make a block to save us time.
Yes! Giant stairs first giant. You better watch out, brother, because I'm gonna use Alpha Wolf. Just kidding. And this is our final battle.